Hey everyone, welcome to this full beginner's guide to crypto futures trading in 2025. In this video, I'll show you everything step by step. From creating your Binance account to placing your first long or short trade, all the way to managing risk and reading charts. You don't need any prior experience to follow along. Just stay with me and I'll explain everything in a very simple way. Now, just a quick disclaimer before we begin, crypto futures are risky. You can make money fast, but you can also lose it fast. So please don't treat this as financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only, and you should only trade with what you can afford to lose. To start futures trading, the first step is choosing a reliable exchange. For this video, we're using Binance. It's the world's largest and most trusted crypto exchange, and it's perfect for beginners as well as experienced traders. That said, if you prefer to try a different platform, I've included links to a few other options in the video description too. Feel free to check them out. Once you've decided, go to the link in the description and complete your registration. If you sign up through my referral link, you'll also get free access to my private crypto signal group. In that group, I share my personal trade setups, daily market updates, and strategies. It's a bonus for those who join through the link, and it can really help you learn faster. After registering, download the Binance mobile app from the Play Store or App Store. Log in using the same email you used to sign up. Now it's time to complete your KYC. This is required to unlock all trading features. Don't worry, it's simple. Just upload your ID and complete a quick face verification. The whole process usually only takes a few minutes, and once you're verified, your account will be ready to go. Now that your account is ready, the next step is to add funds. To trade futures, you'll have to deposit USDT, which is a stablecoin. You can deposit USDT in different ways. If you already have crypto in a wallet or exchange, you can simply send it to your Binance wallet. If not, you can buy USDT directly using a credit card or use Binance's P2P option to buy from other users in your local currency. The process is easy, and Binance gives clear steps for each option. Once you receive USDT in your spot wallet, you need to move it to your futures wallet because futures trades are handled separately. To do this, just go to your wallet, choose the futures section, and click on transfer. Select USDT and then choose Spot to USDT-M futures and enter the amount you want to move. The transfer is instant and free. Now your funds are in the right place and you're ready to trade. Let's now take a tour of the Binance Futures interface. When you first open the futures page, it may look complicated, but I'll break it down so you understand every part. In the center, you'll see a live price chart. This shows the real-time price of the coin you're trading, like BTC or USDT. You can change the time frame, like 1 minute, 15 minutes, or 1 hour, and even add indicators like RSI or moving averages. The chart is very customizable, but you can start with the basics. To the right of the chart is your order panel. This is where you'll set up your trade, choosing leverage, entering the amount, and deciding whether to go long or short. Just below the chart is the area where your open positions, trade history, and profit or loss will appear. Everything is updated in real time so you can monitor your trades easily. Before taking the first trade, let's take a moment to understand what leverage is, because it's one of the biggest reasons people trade futures, but also the biggest risk. Leverage lets you trade with more money than you actually have. For example, if you have $100 in your account and you use 10x leverage, you're opening a position worth $1,000. This means small price movements can lead to big profits, or big losses. That's exactly why many traders use leverage for short-term strategies, like scalping. Scalping means jumping in and out of trades quickly to catch those small moves, especially in high volatility markets. It's fast, risky, but can be very rewarding if done right. Now, if you're someone who loves chasing early pumps in meme coins, and you're into fast-paced scalping, there's a platform you should definitely check out. Boom.Meme. Boom is built specifically for spotting early signals and executing quick trades. You can use it for scalping on spot, especially in low-cap meme coins where prices move fast and every second matters. One of the standout features is the AI-powered market surge signals. These alerts show you when smart wallets start loading up on specific tokens, often just before the price takes off. For scalpers, this kind of real-time signal is gold. It gives you an edge to catch moves early instead of buying late like the crowd. Then there's the radar panel. It's fully customizable. You can create your own layout with multiple screens, price charts, live wallet tracking, signal feeds, all synced instantly. If you're the type of trader who likes to watch multiple things at once, this makes your workflow smoother and faster. Boom.Meme also supports MPC secured wallets and lets you analyze wallet win rates. So if you want to copy trade smart money or just avoid chasing bad entries, the tools are already there. Right now, Boom is invite only, but I've added my private access link below if you want to try it. You'll also get access to fee rebates and early trader giveaways once you're inside. Alright, let's now get back to Binance and walk through placing your first futures trade. Alright, let's get back to Binance and walk through placing our first futures trade. Now that you understand the layout and leverage, let's place your first trade together. Start by selecting a trade pair at the top left of the screen. For beginners, BTC to USDT is a good place to start. Once selected, go to the order panel on the right side of the page. First, adjust your leverage by clicking on the number and choosing something low, like 3x. Next, choose your order type. If you want the trade to execute immediately at the current price, select market order. If you want to buy or sell at a specific price, choose limit order and enter your price manually. Now, enter the amount of USDT you want to trade. Then decide the direction of your trade. If you think the price will go up, click buy. If you think it'll go down, click on sell. Before opening the trade, always set your take profit and stop loss. Take profit is the price where you want to lock in your gains. Stop loss is where you'll exit the trade if it goes against you. This helps protect your funds and manage risk. When everything looks good, click open and your trade will go live. You'll see it listed in the open positions area. After your trade is open, you want to keep an eye on it. In the open positions section, you can see your entry price, current profit or loss, and liquidation price. If your trade is on profit and you want to take your money, you can click close at any time to manually exit the position. You can also adjust your stop loss or take profit levels while the trade is active. This is useful if the market changes and you want to secure gains or reduce risk. Alright, that brings us to the end of this full beginner's tutorial on Binance Futures. If you found this video and want more tutorials, like live trading, strategies, or risk management techniques, let me know in the comments below. I'll create more videos based on what you want to learn. And don't forget, if you haven't signed up yet, use the link in the description. When you register through my referral link, you'll get free access to my private crypto signal group, where I post trade setups, market insights, and extra guidance to help you succeed. Thanks again for watching, stay focused, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next one.